rain time and overall neglect and an overgrown section of the yard and garden here. So basically this is a before and an after as I get this all cleaned up again. So some of this is still very good quality plants, some of it's weeds, some of it's just overgrown stuff I want to keep. So a lot of cleaning up to do. As you can see, I have already started. I've cleaned that little bit there, but let's see how this looks once I'm done. So here we go, all nicely cleaned up. It's going to take some maintenance obviously because a lot of those weeds keep on growing back nice and quickly. So you can see I've decided to do a bit of a restructure. Moved all my strawberries along here. I'm going to work on repotting those and getting them more like this. Spread them out a bit more, build them back up. And as well, I'm getting myself some more sort of salad vegetables and so forth along here as well, which will help block this section off nicely. But we've got rocket, some beetroot, some carrot growing in there as well. I'll continue maintaining and keeping this all nice and clean as well. So there you go. So there you have it. It doesn't matter how messed up it gets, how untidy, disgusting, and how big the job actually appears to be. You better work elbow grease in there. You can basically beautify just about anything. This took a couple of days to actually tidy up, and it's probably going to take a couple more to completely finalize how I want to make it look with the strawberries and the veggie garden, or the salad garden basically. And yeah, there you go. Keep on gardening, don't give up, and remember, maintenance is always easier than fixing it when it goes to heck. Click subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you. So here's a little frog that's just taken up residence on one of the repotted strawberry leaves. Completely unexpected. Just so that you can get a better idea of just how small he is. Isn't that cute? So there you have it, bit of time, bit of effort, and voila, you can take the overgrown mess and clean it back up again and make a beautiful space out of it. So, all cleaned up and complete. Strawberries set out and redone, and all clean and tidy with still enough space for my clothesline.